Okay, so I can see them on this on the tab. Wait, wait. So it's saying that I should upgrade, the admin should upgrade to Lightning for me to be able to do that. Hello, can you hear me?
To do what exactly?
I want to just leave these three objects on this on the tab and take up this other one.
You have to create your own app now. You can't.
Okay, that's when I can do that. Okay.
Yeah. You have to create your own app.
I thought I have to do it on this place before I can do it on the app.
No. Just go to App Manager. Go to your backend and go to App Manager.
To my backend.
New Lightning app. Continue. Just continue. Continue. Next. Then bring in the apps. Just search for it. The objects, right? Select the customer and system admin. Did you create the customer profile? There is one of the questions that says you should create a customer profile. Did you? Can you hear me?
I can't remember again if I did.
Just speak the system admin. You come back later and do it. And go back to the front end and look for that Blackforce app. Blackforce app. Search.
Okay, sorry. Yeah. Sorry.
Very good.
Okay, then I also wanted to ask another question. This related tab, I was trying to do it from the back end. I went through the page layout. I went through, where did I even go to? I think I went to the object customer.
Can you open the question?
the question. She opened the question. Hey, where can I get that one now? Okay, let me just. I can get this question here. Let me see if I can see it here. Okay, so what part of the question do you want me to go to?
What have you done? What have you not done? You said you are submitting today, so I need to.
Okay, so I think number 9, I'm not sure what I did, because for the start date, I just put today under the formula. Then the end date, I put, I don't know. I just put
Okay, can I
start date.
let me see your up from the beginning, right?
Okay.
From question 1, like from
1, right?
Calculations and co. The objects, the calculation.
Where is it now? Where did I put this up? Okay. I don't know where it is again. I don't know where that app is again.
Just search for Blackboard. No.
Okay, so from the first one, I created the custom objects. These are the objects here.
Just the bills.
Do you want to see the bills?
Yeah. Go to customer.
Or do you want to see it from the back end?
No,
okay.
Go to customer. See this thing, right? You are supposed to use the same example he used. The example, the customer names are not real name. They are customer 1, customer 2, customer 3. That is true. Everything has been mapped together, right? There's plan 1, plan 2, plan 3. Basic plan, standard plan, and what's it called? And premium plan. Customer 1 is supposed to have basic plan. That makes things easier. Right now, I can't really like. I don't know who Bola Daramola is. I don't know the plan Bola.
Okay, initially, I think at a point let me see. Like this one has the basic now.
Can you just change the name of the customers to customer 1, customer 2, customer 3?
How do I change that?
That is it. You're already changing it. Click on the button and continue, or just click on edit, anyone.
Okay. So I should change this to customer 1.
Yep. And give you basic plan and save. It's already on basic plan. So go to the next customer.
Yeah.
So now go to bills, right? And your bills should not be having name. They shouldn't be having name. Bill is just bill. The name there should have been auto number instead of name. I don't think there is. Okay. Just go and remove the bill name from the object. You don't need it. Bill doesn't have a name. Okay, just leave it. Just leave it. Let's go back to the front end. Just click on that recent. Just click on this recent here beside the open tab. To the left of the open tab.
Who is that?
Say recent at the top of your screen.
Recent.
Those two recent beside your mail.
Beside my mail. Okay.
Yeah. Then click on one of the bills. Or just click on the customer, right? Yeah, click on the cost. Go back to customer. Click on customer one. Related. Is your customer not related to bill?
I don't know again. No.
Okay, just click on that bill. Just click on bill at the top to the right of your tab. No, at the top. On your tab.
On my tab. This one.
Browser tab at the top.
Okay.
Yeah. Where is scroll down. Okay. Create a new field. Master detail. Yeah.
I've been struggling with this master detail for a while. I keep saying I have a master detail relationship, but I can't find it because I try to. Okay. So customer.
Yep.
So that's the error message it's been giving me.
Go back
I
to
don't know where.
the fields and relationship again. Scroll down. Hold on. Why is your bill related to plan? Your bill should not be related to plan. That is one. Your bill should not be related to plan at all.
I thought I canceled it. Okay, so I should delete this, right?
Yeah.
Unable to complete the requested change. Custom field is referenced elsewhere. Let's first.
Already using this in the formula field. Do you understand the question?
I've just been trying. No, I don't know.
Okay, hold on. Just hold on.
I've been trying to put it
Hold on,
together.
comfort, right? Just hold on. Didas, highly favored, Lape, and Uzo. What's your status?
Okay, this is highly favored. Good evening.
Evening.
I'm trying to understand how to do the plan history and the related. and the bill showing on the related tab for the customers. I'm not getting that page layout organization and all that.
Okay, were you able to create the fields? Were you getting the correct answers in your formulas?
Yes, I
And
was.
your validation rule is correct.
Okay, I have concerns about the plan duration being equal to 30. But I asked somebody, but I'm still not convinced about the start date and the end date. The question in number 8 says that the bill start date is always less than. So I don't know why I cannot place start date less than end date. And all that. So, yes, that's my own
work about that.
Okay.
Comfort, while I'm asking the question, can you just start creating another org? Comfort.
You've killed me. Oh, create another org.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Just start it like that. We'll walk through it over a bit.
You can't do this to me.
Okay, you know what? Let's do it like this. Tony, if you have enough time for us, I could share my screen and she walks along.
Exactly. That's why I said she should create another org.
Let me create another one myself to encourage her. So she's going to move along.
The reason is if you continue using that org, you will keep having issues because there are so many things you've created that needs to be deleted, and they won't be deleted because you're already using them. So the org, I can say the org is not really good again. It's not that it won't work, but it will take a lot of time to fix that org than to create a new one. If you understand what I'm saying.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let me create org as well so that to start with.
Okay, but sorry, let me just ask. I want to believe is this master detail relationship that's scattered everything.
No.
What am I supposed to do in that relationship part?
One, the relationship, there are two relationships in the old app. The first one is a lookup between customer and plan.
Yeah.
There's no relationship between bill and plan. The second one is between bill and customer. Bill and customer is master detail. Now, there are some places you are also using field names that they are just supposed to be. Bill does not have a name. Does it? Your plan will have a name, right? You're using basic plan or standard plan or something. You yourself, you have a name, but your bill.
I just went and created all the things.
Yeah. So,
so bill is not meant to have a name.
Bill, just use the name, change the name to auto number.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How do I do that one?
When you are creating, that's why I said she create another org. Then highly favored already said she will walk you through it. Like
okay.
Yeah. Leaders,
let me create another org while she's doing ours.
Leaders, are you with us?
Yes, I'm on.
Great. Where are you?
Oh, I think I'm through with the project.
Interesting. Your validation is working fine.
Yes.
Your formulas are great.
They're okay.
You're good. And you have your tracking history, your field history.
Yes.
You're good. Okay. Lape. I'm sorry.
Yes, hi. I think I'm stuck at the formula.
Formula. You have your fields right?
Yes.
And you are getting the correct answers in your formulas. What is it?
I can't seem to. So for the start date, end date formula.
Okay. We'll walk through it together too. I just want to know where everybody is. So, Uzo.
Yeah, I'm pretty much fine. I think in the session Baba Tope had, he said not to use like the platform Salesforce platform license. So I think that's the only place I need to change on mine, but everything else is fine.
Why are you using Salesforce platform license before?
Well, no, because they said there are 3 customers, and I just had it in my head that we'll need 3 users. That's why.
Okay, the customers are not users, they are just records in the system, right? They are not users.
Yeah. So I made each of those platform licenses into a username and
You don't
associated
need
it with
that.
the.
Just need the 2 users you already have. One is the system admin. One is using a system admin profile. The other is using a customer profile that you created, a custom profile you created for customer.
Oh, okay. Then that means I did
You've already
too
done
much
that,
work
right?
then.
Created the customer profile.
No. I mean, I'll have to go back and look at it again, but I have some other profiles in there, so I think I'll
No,
rework what I did.
that one.
Yeah, no. I mean, I'll create it, but I mean, I guess after I get off here, I'll create it and look at it. But yeah.
Well, I think if you're with us and you're in your system right now, somebody has already volunteered to take up the call, so you can just go with the flow and you guys do things together. I have 2 groups, right? The second one, we're actually doing things together even before I came around, and they were almost done even before I reached out to them. So you guys should also try to work together and learn from each other. That's actually the best way to go about things here.
Okay.
Yeah, great. Ali Favored, over to you. Can share your screen. Ali Favored, she's still on.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm still here. You want me to share my screen?
Yeah, you can share your screen.
Okay.
Thanks.
So when I'm ready to start, can everybody let me know?
You can just Comfort, are you with us?
I am.
Okay.
You can
Is
Yes.
your work ready?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we're launching this as a sample. And the first, number 1 on the implementation guide is create the objects. So we have the plan objects. So I'll just go here and create plan. So there's a part of, maybe because I've read through the what's it called? The old guide. So it's always advisable, like Baba Tokwe said, we check this, which is the allow reports, allow track field, then also allow in search when we want to create our app, right? Just a second, this thing always disturbs me. Okay, and we save and new. So the second object I'm creating is the bill, and I have this. I'm going to allow reports as well. So I'm going to allow in the search so that I'm able to find that out. And the third one will be customer. So now I have my bill. I can search it, bill, that's bill, customer. So for the standard object, I have to go and recreate it so that it doesn't confuse me, right? So I will go here to profiles. Please let me know if I'm moving too fast though. Okay. So how come I have two custom? This is a custom profile. Where's, I'm sorry, I just want my glasses. I'm sorry.
You're looking for standard.
Yeah, I'm looking for the customer that is standard. Just
I
a
think
sec.
you have to go on the next page.
The next, okay, let me do it like this. Customer, if it will be.
What,
Oh, I know.
what are you
Is
looking
it
for?
standard user you're looking for?
No. The other customer that is standard. Oh, standard object. Sorry, it's a standard
Object.
object.
Yeah,
Right.
object.
Sorry about that. So I would go here. Where is it? I can't edit it, right? Someone help me.
Can edit the standard object. What you can just do is probably change the name for your own to, you can add S if you know it will be disturbing you. Just add
Okay.
S in the meantime.
Okay. So I'll edit this. Okay, I'll put a cap S on it so that it's easily identifiable. Okay, so the next question is create default plan records for the data. So I'm going to create the fields for plan. So go to field and relationships. I'm going to create the first one. The free calling minutes is going to be in number.
Can I ask something?
Yes, please.
Don't you have to create like your own project, like your own plan app, your own app before doing all of this? Maybe if they are like in your own app, it can be easier to
Locate, right? Okay,
Yes.
if you want me to go that route, but I was just trying to
One
also
thing
follow.
is this, right? One thing is
Side.
this, right? Somebody sets the question. So the person setting the question actually was doing it alongside. So to make things easier for you, don't jump any question. Finish one line before going to the other. There is an app for out, like there is a question for app. So get there before you do it so that you don't confuse yourself. Just go with the flow of the question and you'll be good.
Okay, so we're creating, this is the first field. So it's going to be the free calling minutes. Free calling minutes.
Guys, if the meeting runs out, just click on the link again. I'm using my personal.
Okay, so free calling minutes, and we go to next. And we go to next. And we can save and new because we have a lot of fields to create. So the second one is the free internet MB plan, and that's also number. Free. So we have next. Next. Save and new. Then the free SMS is number as well. Free SMS is number as well. Next. Next. Okay, then we have the call rate per minute, which is currency here. So call rate per minute is currency. Next. Next.
Excuse me.
Yes, please.
Seeing on decimals, why is it that you're leaving it as in a zero, not changing to any other decimal? Won't it be like when you're dealing with the formula, won't it give you some kind of?
Okay, for that, it depends on you. We might be dealing with, okay, we're creating this app, but it doesn't necessarily mean that we're going to be having, for example, the call rates might be $2.50 in the future. So creating that and not letting it just round up, altogether. Like when you get your bill, like my bill per month is like $49.44. Do you understand? You're giving room for the calculation and all that. So we're not just trying to be stagnant here and say, okay, because the formula is given. Well, that's the way I see it. I don't know if our mentor will want to say something else about that. Tony.
Okay, we can just imagine in a real life scenario, right? Your currency is always in, like she said, 49.40. So it's always in a 2 decimal point. So just like go with the flow of your real life currencies to 2 decimal places. But if you look at the examples we have, they are actually not in decimal, right? We have
Yes,
whole
in all numbers.
it will work for examples, but then real life, your own number will not really suit you for real life. You want the 2 decimal places to cater for the cents and the nickels.
So can I continue?
Yeah, sure.
So internet rates is also currency. Message rates as well, currency, because they're all rates. We have price, which is also currency, price for each, what's it called? For each of the plans. Then we have plan duration, which is date. Okay, next, and save. So it is from the front end.
Hold on. Go back to plan. You said your plan duration is date.
Sorry, I'm sorry about that. So it's going to be number.
Yeah.
And save.
Decimal places.
0, right? Because our days are in all numbers. Okay. So are we all good with this? Are we all good with this?
Yes, we are. I am.
Okay. So from our front end, that's when we impute the values for the basic plan. Sincerely, Tony, I don't know why we had to go to the back end, to the front end to do it. Maybe you can just cut in after we come back into the meeting, because it's less than a minute now.
Okay. We can just drop off and click on the link again.
Oh, okay.